Do you need to learn how to use chopsticks? Check out these easy tips. 1. Hold one chopstick in the crook between your thumb and index finger. It should rest against the side of your ring finger. Add the second chopstick on top, holding it like you would hold a pencil, pinched between your thumb, index and middle fingers. Ensure that both chopsticks are parallel to each other and held at the same location along the chopsticks so the points are aligned. 2. The top chopstick held between the index finger and thumb should be movable, while the bottom chopstick held between the ring finger and thumb remains stationary. Keep your thumb stable and use it as a pivot point to control the top chopstick. Gently move the top chopstick up and down using your index finger. 3. Start with larger and easier to grasp items like cubes of tofu or pieces of fruit. Practice your grip and moving food items repeatedly until you get a sense for how the chopsticks should feel and how best to control them. Gradually progress to smaller and more challenging items, like rice, as you become more comfortable and skilled.